The cutting head is the heart of your laser system. Are you sure you are using top-quality gas to adequately protect it? Any contamination in your assist gas can damage it, which leads to costly repairs and downtime. Our LC GUARD panel is your best defense against assist gas contamination. It removes particles and oil that may be present in nitrogen, oxygen, or mixed gas or air before they can reach the laser. With guaranteed top gas quality, your equipment is protected and your cutting quality stays consistent. The benefits of the LC GUARD panel are significant. You meet the highest standards of gas quality. You significantly reduce the risk of laser head replacement that can cost thousands of euros. And you can extend the life of your laser consumables. You prevent downtime and lost production, and ensure peak laser cutting performance. Delivered gas, its storage tanks or pipework may be contaminated with particles or oil vapor. The LC GUARD ensures only clean, safe gas enters the system, and your cutting head and your bottom line are always protected. Level up your experience at atlascopco.com.